This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, friends, so solve this question and post your answers in chat box. Waiting for your answers. Few answered option C, few answered option D. Okay. Yes, this is the question given in TCS. A lot of people, okay, are going with the option D, but option B is wrong. Option C is correct. My dear friends, option C is the correct answer. Option D is wrong. Why, sir? Okay, say this. Car is having four tyres. At a time, we'll use four tyres for the car, right? They given clearly in the question. A car is having 4 plus 1. 4 tyres plus 1 spare tyre. Okay, fine. Now, car traveled 40,000 kilometers. In the sense, what is the total distance traveled by 4 tyres? Total distance traveled by 4 tyres. Okay, car traveled 40,000 kilometers. In the sense, each tire is 40,000 kilometers traveled. As we have four tires, okay, we have to go for 4 into 40,000 kilometers is the total distance traveled by the four cars, four tires, right? Now here, fine. So 4 into 40,000 we have to understand. So that is the total distance traveled by the four tires. Because car at a time will use four tires. Total distance traveled is this. Right. Excellent. Now they given you have to distribute this equal. Okay, see this. Okay. All tires should be equally used. To make all tires equally used, this total distance, okay, each tire how much to travel so that all are using equally is 4 into 40,000 divided by 5. This total distance should be distributed among 5 tires. So that's why we have to get 32,000 kilometers is the distance traveled by each tire. It's not 8,000. A lot of people they'll say, sir, 40,000 kilometers traveled by car. Okay, we have to distribute among the 5 tires divided by 5. Where option D? Why not you are going with option D? My dear friends, that's what the thing. Option D is wrong. We have to go with option C because car at a time used 4 tires. Each tire travel 40,000 kilometers. So 4 into 40,000, 1,60,000 is the total distance traveled by 4 tires, not one tire. Total 4 tires. Okay, that should be distributed equally among 5 tires. That's why divided by 5. Is it clear, my dear friends? So now 4 into 8,000 will get 32,000 kilometers is the average distance traveled by each tire. Excellent, guys. So hope you understand that, right? So a lot of people they given the option as D, but friends, okay, in first view you may think the option is D, but if you analyze properly, okay, car is traveling with 4 tires at a time. If car travel 40,000 kilometers, what is the total distance traveled by 4 tires is 4 into 40,000. So that's 1,60,000. That should be distributed among 5 tires equally. So that's why divided by 5. Excellent, guys. So okay, 4 in 4,000. Finally, we'll get 32,000 kilometers is the distance traveled by the each tire. Okay, equally, in fact, to say, right? Very good, friends. Now let's go for next. Guys, now let's see this question. This is also TCS question, in fact, given in GATE exam as well. One more puzzle before starting the session. Meanwhile, let us other friends will join once we solve this puzzle. Right, guys, let's see this puzzle. In an island, we have 3 types of people: knights, navies, and spy. What is this knights will do? They will speak always true. Okay, spy, they may speak true or lie. Navy always speaks lies. There are 3 types of candidates in an island: knights, navy, and spy. Knights always speak true. Okay. Navies always speak lie, false. Spy, it's like okay, either true or lie. Spy is like either true or lie. They'll speak either true or lie. Okay. Now let's see this question, guys. So go through the question clearly. You have to find who is the knight among ABC. Please go through the question. Now let us see that. Who among the three people ABC is spy? Okay, who among them is knight? Who among them is navy? We are going to decide now. Yes, guys. So please go through the details given in the question clearly. In an airline, we have knight, navy, and spy. Three type of people. Knights always speak true. Navy always speak lie. Spy is either lie or true. So spy may be dual role. He may speak true or he may speak lie. They given three statements. Using that, you have to decide who is knight, okay, who is navy, who is spy. So one of your friend given B is the knight, one of your friend given C is the knight, one of your friend given A is the knight, again B. So all three are saying, okay, I want one answer. Who is the knight? Among ABC, one person is knight, one person is navy, one person is spy. We should decide. We should decide who is knight, who is navy, who is spy. But question is regarding knight only. Who is the knight? Among these three people, who is the knight? Okay. Now people are going with the right answer. Very good. Okay. Chandana, please check your answer. Yeah, friends. So now say this. Okay, we have three candidates, knight, navy, and spy, right? That's what they're given in the question. Fine. Okay, so one among this may be okay, A, B, C are three people. One among this is knight, one among this is navy, one among this is spy. Now what I think, okay, first I will consider, okay, C is knight. We should consider first case, C is knight. Second case I will consider B is knight. Third case I will consider A is knight. So which is satisfying, I will check that. Okay, I will see okay whether it is satisfied or not. So the question is about who is the knight. I'll just check, okay, whether C is knight possible or not, then B is knight possible or not, A is knight possible or not. Friends, now listen, all of you, please carefully listen. Okay, what is going on? I'll see this, guys. If suppose, what is knight? Yeah, what is knight meaning? Knight is the one who is always speaking true, is it? Knight is the person who is speaking always true. If C is knight, what is the statement given by C must be correct. What is the statement given by C? I am spy. Okay, see this is contradictory, right? You are assuming C as knight. మీరు C ని knight అనుకుంటున్నారు. We are assuming C as knight, but C is giving statement I am spy. Is it contradictory? Is it contradictory or not? Because if C is knight, he should speak true. We assume C as knight, but C statement I am spy, both are contradictory. So C knight is not possible. Now let me go for B is knight. Let me go for B is knight. If B is knight, what is the statement? A is knight. So if B is knight, what is the statement given by B is A is knight. Guys, listen, focus now. Okay, knight means he should speak always true. If B is knight, A must be also knight. That's what, okay. B ఏం చెప్పిన B knight అంటే వాడు అన్ని నిజాలు చెప్తాడండి. వాడు ఏం స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇస్తారో కరెక్ట్ అని అర్థం. Okay. What is B is saying? A is knight. But problem is that as per the question, if B is knight, A must be also knight. But only one person is knight, one person is navy, one person is spy. Both knights not possible. That's why this is also not suitable. If you consider B as knight, A must be also knight. You understand that? If you consider B is a knight, what are the statement given by B must be true, then A is knight. Okay, that's contradictory. That's why we are not considering that. Now let's see the third one. If suppose A is knight, what are the statement given by A must be true? Okay, what is the, if A is night, what are the statement given by A must be true? What's the statement given by A? C is Navy. If C is Navy, I can consider B is spy. Done, close, chapter close. So here, A is night, B is spy, C is Navy. We decided that. So one among the person is night, one among the person is Navy, one among the person is spy. So here, A is night, C is Navy, B is spy. Okay, see Navy, he should say false. Yes, see Navy, I am spy. Okay, he's saying lie only. Navy means he should always speak false. Yes, see that. C is Navy, but he is saying I am spy. He's talking false. వాడు చెప్పేదాన్ని అబద్ధాలండి వాడు నేవీ బట్ వాడు చెప్తుంది నేను స్పై అంటున్నాడు అబద్ధమే చెప్పాడు ఓకే దట్స్ వాట్ ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ నేవీ ఎస్ కరెక్ట్ this is also correct. B is spy. He may speak true or he may speak false. His nature is that dual role. Okay. So that's what, guys. Okay. This is a bit typical question given in TCS. In fact, a bit similar question given in GATE exam as well. Okay. This is like puzzles where you should think night, navy, spy. Night who is speaking always true, whereas spy is either true or false. Okay, navy is always false. So among these three statements, we should decide who is night, who is navy, who is spy. Is it? Excellent, friends. If you understand this, you can appreciate yourself because this is a bit tricky question where three different categories is available. You should identify those three, right? Those who are from okay electrical background or electronics background or computer science background or IT background, you have digital, okay, DLD, okay, digital logic design or switching theory and logic design, STLD subject is there. In that you have 1 0 don't care, 1 is always true, 0 is always false, X don't care, it may be 1 or 0. Here night is like 1, who is speaking always true, navy is like 0, who is speaking always false, spy is nothing but like X, don't care. He may speak true or he may speak false, don't care. Okay, you just, okay, those who are except from civil and mechanical, okay, remaining branches, those who are available here, we have a subject digital logic design or maybe switching theory and logic design. There you have ones, zeros, and don't care. You can use that. You can consider night is a 1, navy is 0, spy is X. Okay, so we have to see which statement is true for the things given. So we have to go for ABC, different combinations, and we should check. Okay, very good, friends. Now let's go for the next. Okay, topic. Okay, we are done with time and work, right? Now let me go for pipes and systems, my dear friends. Okay. Yeah, pipes and systems is the next one we want to focus, right? So guys, once again I'm repeating what are the things done. So profit and loss is completed. So for this Friday exam, this all are available. Simple interest and compound interest is also there. Coding and decoding we discussed. Blood relations we discussed. Analytical reasoning, analytical figures, sorry, in fact to say, analytical figures, counting figures is completed for you. Is it? Partnership concept completed, right? Time and distance and its applications. Time and distance and its applications as well. These are the things which are completed already. Time and distance and its applications like boats and streams, average speed, problems on trains are all applications, right? Okay, so these are the parts. You just focus, okay? And now time and work Python system is also going to complete. See, these are the topics. Okay, so we'll complete by tomorrow anyhow, if not by today. And next series completion as well. By tomorrow, I'll complete series completion topic. Okay. If possible, I'll go for analogy, odd one out as well. Friends, this is the syllabus. Okay, whatsoever will cover up to Thursday part will be there on Friday exam. So syllabus for exam. 24th, I think so. 24/7/2020. This is the syllabus for your test. Okay, these all topics are going to be covered. Okay, so what are the topics covered up to that? Okay, you will get. Fine, so hope you're clear with this, right? 1 second, guys. So if there is any applications, it is asking to close to improve the better connections. Fine. Okay, guys. So, oh, these are the things we had to focus for this upcoming exam on 24th. Right. So, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, coding and decoding, blood relation, analytical figures, partnership concept, time and distance and its applications, like average speed, boards and streams, problems on trains, time and work, pipes and systems. Okay, and today and tomorrow class, I'll try to cover series completion, analogy, and hard one out. So these are the things we should focus and we should be ready for exam. Okay. Now let me go for pipes and systems topic, guys. So hope you are clear with the syllabus what we want to focus on the next exam, right? Now let's focus on the topic, guys. So see this, friends, this pipes and systems topic is pretty much similar to time and work. It's one part of time and work, I can say. Pipes and systems is one part of time and work. But here, so then if it is similar, then why we are discussing pipes and systems? Friends, say this, why pipes and systems is important for us. Okay, here see, if suppose in time and work, if I discuss a topic like, okay, a question like A is constructing a wall and B is demolishing the wall, destroying the wall. Okay, A is constructing the wall and B is destroying the wall. That we didn't discuss in time and work, right? That type of questions. What is there? A is constructing the wall, B is destroying the wall. Is opposite work is going on. A is constructing, B is doing opposite to the destroying the wall. Okay, that type of situation opposite, okay, is not discussed. Whereas in pipes and systems, what will happen? You have some inlet pipe. What inlet pipe will do? What inlet pipe will do? It will fill water. It will fill. Inlet pipe is used to fill the tank. Is it? Whereas you have outlet pipe as well. Inlet pipe is used to fill the tank or add water to the tank. Okay. Whereas outlet pipe is there for the tank. System means nothing but tank. Okay. If you have outlet pipe, what outlet pipe will do? It will empty the tank. Empty the tank. So here, see this, opposite work is going on. One is filling the water into the tank. Other one is here emptying the tank. That's what the opposite work. Okay, this type of opposite work is not discussed. Okay, one is adding, one is removing water. Adding water, this is removing the water. Okay, this type of scenario we didn't discussed in time and work. Okay, we discussed only A is completing the work, B is completing the work, C is completing the work. No opposite things we discussed. Here, suppose, okay, this is the pipe which is filling the tank, and you have the pipe which is emptying the tank as well. Okay, so these are filling tank, inlet pipes. This is outlet pipe or waste pipe. Okay, outlet pipe or waste pipe is generally used to empty the tank, whereas inlet pipe is used to fill the tank. Right. So now this is what, okay, opposite work is there. If two pipes are available, one is filling, one is removing. So opposite work is happening. Okay, this type of opposite work we didn't discussed in time and work. Okay, because of ethical way. If suppose if I develop a question like A is doing the coding, B is delete the code what is that done by A. Okay, if I discuss those type of questions, you people may have negative mindset going forward. Okay, sorry, discuss this in question. Okay, we also can do this in practical life. Okay, that's the type of mentality we should not have, okay, use. So that's why we didn't discuss in time and work. Whereas in pipes and systems, by default, the nature is that one pipe is filling, one pipe is emptying. Yes, opposite work is in a way discussing. Why to create the new type of wrong thoughts? Okay, why instead of wrong thoughts? Okay, let's go with the one which is naturally available. Is a tank. A tank is definitely having inlet pipe and outlet pipe. Inlet pipe is filling the water. Outlet pipe is emptying the water. Here, opposite work is going on. Opposite work is going on. Right. Now let's see these questions, friends. So how to solve this? See, no need of separate introduction for this pipes and cisterns. This is the first question. Okay, let's see. As you know, time and work is also very similar. Now let's see the question. Pipe A and B can fill the tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Pipe A, fill. I am using the suffix F to mention pipe A is filling the tank. Pipe B is filling the tank in 30 minutes, whereas pipe C can empty the full tank in 40 minutes. So pipe C is emptying the tank, pipe A is filling, pipe B is filling. Friends, as usual in time and work, we fixed the work. Here we should fix the tank capacity. What is having tank? Like in time and work, we are taking LCM for the given values for easy calculation. Here also, okay, I'll take 120 liters is the tank capacity. You can assume any value for easy calculation, like in time and work. Here we are using, okay, LCM to fix the tank capacity. How much, okay, this tank can have. So we are assuming the value for easy calculations. That's nothing but 120 liters. Now 120 liters can be filled in 20 minutes, meaning we can fill 6 liter per minute. And 120 liters you can fill in 30 minutes. So meaning is pipe B can fill 4 liter per minute. 120 liters is emptied in 40. Now this is, guys, see this, Y minus is opposite work. It is removing. Okay, so this empty, so it's removing. Pipe C is removing the water. See this now. Previously, I didn't use plus and minus. We didn't use that. Why? Because of all are doing positive work in time and work. Whereas pipes and systems, this is the first question. Okay, you want previous slide to take. Okay, just wait for a while. You know. Okay, here pipe A and B are filling. Pipe C is emptying. Pipe filling means adding the water. That's why using plus symbol. Okay, C is emptying the water. That's why minus symbol. Now all together. So when all three pipes are open together, okay, instead of that all are working together, here pipes are open. Okay, A, B, C, all three are open. As we discussed in time and work, we should not do that in additions in this. We can do addition or subtraction only here. Now pipe A is filling 6, pipe B is filling 4, pipe C is removing 3. Now altogether this is filling 7 liter per minute. So because of the plus symbol, the result is filling. The result is filling. But how much time taken? How much time taken is, time is work by efficiency. Okay, so here work is filling, time is work by efficiency. Work is filling 120 liters, efficiency is 7. 120 by 7, okay, 7 17 is 119. So 17 1 by 7 minutes to fill. This is used to fill. Why fill is, here we got plus symbol. Plus symbol indicates you will definitely fill the tank. Yeah.
Dept now.
Bhai, please try to mute yourself. Fine. So here fill. So plus indicates fill. Right. So 17 1 by 7 minutes to fill. Okay. Is it? Now guys, see this. Okay, as usual, like time and work. Yeah, my dear friend, just wait for a while, Dharni. Okay, see that. Okay, I am considering tank capacity like time and work. We fixed the work. In time and work, how you fix the work? We take an LCM for the given timings: 15 days, 12 days, 10 days, like that. Here, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay, LCM for 20, 30, and 40 is 120. Okay, then we see that 120 liters you are filling in 20 minutes. 120 liters you are filling in 20 minutes. What is 120 by 20? You are filling 6 liters per minute, Dharni. Is it clear now? Why 6 liter per minute? 120 liters you are filling in 20 minutes. So you are filling 6 liter per minute. 120 liters you are filling in 30 minutes. 120 by 30, 40 liters, 4 liters per minute. Whereas 120 liters, 40 minutes, 3 liter per minute. But why minus symbol is, it is removing the water, emptying. This is filling. That's why you have to use the symbol plus. This is the only change compared to time and work. Here it will happen. But because of the small change, as we have an opposite work happening, there are a lot of things going forward to discuss. Okay, the basic idea is this. Remaining all pretty much similar to time and work, whatever we discussed, the approach and all, fixing the work here, fixing the tank capacity. Additional subtraction we had to perform only in the efficiency part. not in the timing part. If you want to do additional subtraction, perform only in efficiency side. Okay, not in that side. Okay, right. Now let's go for, okay, before going for the next, as your friend is asking the previous slide display. Yeah, Hima, please take the screenshot of this 403, I think. Yeah, right. Okay, now let's go for the next. Time take to empty the tank, sir. Yeah, Joshna, here when all three pipes are there, you have plus. This is not emptying, Joshna. This is not possible. When all these three pipes A, B, and C is open, because A is filling, B is filling, C is emptying, we got finally plus symbol. When you got plus, this will definitely result to filling only when all these three pipes are open for infinite time. So the tank will be always filling only. It is not empty. Joshna, if you got minus symbol here, then you will get empty, Joshna. But right now you will get filling until, because that's clearly mentioned here. Okay, plus symbol, if it is there at the end, means you will get filling only. If you got minus symbol at the end, then you will get empty chance. Is it? Okay. Now let's see the next question. I'll discuss that empty as well. In this question, we will discuss that part as well as Joshna. Don't worry. Okay. Good question, in fact. Now, guys, let's see this next question. I'm happy if you people are asking the doubts. Now, my dear friends, so please go ahead with this question. A water tank is 2/5 full. Pipe A can fill the tank in 10 minutes. See, pipe A can fill the tank in 10 minutes, whereas pipe B can empty the tank in 6 minutes. The same tank is emptied by pipe B in 6 minutes. Now, both the pipes are open, A and B are open. Now you should find what is the result. Now guys, listen, tank capacity is what? Okay, so one pipe is filling in 10 minutes, other pipe is emptying that in 6 minutes. So I'll take LCM for this 10 and 6. What will happen? You got 30 liters. Okay, tank capacity is 30 liters. Here this is filling 3 liter per minute, while this is emptying 5 liter per minute. 6 into 5 is 30, 10 into 3 is 30. Okay, but as this pipe B is emptying the tank, we got the symbol minus. Why? Pipe B is emptying the tank, and we got plus symbol here because pipe A is filling. Now both pipes are open. Yeah, friends, kind request for all of you, those who are right now in the session, please stay with us up to the end of the session. You are around 176 count now, okay, including 5 or 6 faculty coordinates. So I can say students count is around 170. Okay, please stay with us up to the end of the session so that you people can learn things. If you feel any question difficult, I'll give the alternate approach, or we'll discuss. You just come online and we'll discuss the things. Okay, don't leave at, after 11 o'clock or 11:10 and all. Okay, there are a lot of efforts, okay, behind this session from management side and from the top level, okay, higher level people, professionals, okay, from principal sir, HOD sir, and all faculty coordinates are behind this program. So please cooperate and please be with us up to the end of this session. Okay, if you feel at any point of time, if you feel anything difficult, please let me know. Or else, if you want to leave the session, please let me know what you are feeling bad. Okay, so that I can change that for the next. If you people anything, if you okay, if you are feeling difficult or if you're feeling getting bored, let me know. I'll discuss some puzzle and we'll get back to this. But what is the effect is, okay, discussing questions will be a bit reduced. That's the problem. Otherwise, okay, no issues, right? Now, guys, see this. Now, listen. You got symbol minus, okay? You have doubt now. So, 30 liters, minus means what? Okay, Joshna, now see this. Because of minus, the result will be empty. Now, these two options, D and B, we should eliminate. D and B, why we should eliminate? Both pipes are open, okay? Okay, when both pipes are open, I got minus symbol indicates I should get empty. Option B and D are removed. Guys, don't say fill. That's wrong. Minus I got, it's empty. Now, guys, listen. In the first statement, they clearly mentioned tank is 2/5 full. You just see tank is 2/5 full. Guys, what is the statement? Tank is 2 by 50 full. Tank capacity is 30 liters. Tank can hold 30 liters of water. Okay. But how much water is available is only 2 by 50 part. That's now you people can understand. Okay, 2 by 50 part means 2 by 50 of 30, which is equal to 12 liters. Only 12 liters water is available. Now guys, listen, what is empty meaning is making this as 0. We have 12 liters. Empty is making it as 0. What's the time taken is, we have 12 liters. We are emptying 2 liter per minute. 12 by 2. So it takes 6 minutes to empty. 6 minutes to empty the tank. Guys, hope you understand why empty, because of the symbol minus. Sir, why you not taking 30? We are not taking 30 here because tank is only 250 full. They clearly mentioned in the question, tank is 250 full. It's not full. Okay, only 2 by 50 part. Total tank capacity is 30 liters. 2 by 50 of 30 is nothing but 12 liters. We have 12 liters available. So empty, the purpose of emptying the tank is, okay, making it as 0. Nothing should be in the tank. Tank is 0 meaning only. So tank is having 2 liters. If you want to make it 0, it is zooming 2 liter per minute. So 12 by 2, it takes 6 minutes to empty the tank. Is it? Very good. Now I'm changing a small thing here. That's listen. Okay, hope you taken the screenshot. First of all, take the screenshot of this. Now I'm doing a small change in the question. I want your answers for this question now. Hope it is there or not. No, it's not that. Okay. Now let me do the small change. Hope you're taking the screenshot here, right? Otherwise, okay, what I'll do, I'll just try to add and copy paste the same question. Fine. Guys, now what I want, if filling is 6 minutes, emptying is 10 minutes, then what is the result for the same question? My dear friends, so see that what I'm asking for the same question. Now see the change. If filling is 6 minutes, same question, now fill a tank in 6 minutes. Pipe B is emptying the tank in 10 minutes. Pipe A filling in 6 minutes. Pipe B emptying this is 10 minutes. Then what is the result? Tank is 2/5 full. That statement is also there. Now guys, let me know how many of you people can answer this correct way. Then I can see that you people are very alerted and you people are listening to the class and you people have know the understanding the concept better. Now let me know. Yes, okay. Except 566 roll number. M Suma 566 roll number. And now GM Bhargav, okay, from CSC as well. Except these two people, that's what guys, so see this, how you people are doing the mistake. M Suma 566, GM Bhargav 532, Chandana, okay, you 3 people answers are correct. Answer is 9 minutes to fill. It's not 6 minutes to fill, my dear friends. Why? Sir, this is 30 liters, okay. This is filling 5 liter per minute. As you discussed, yes, this is removing 3 liter per minute. Okay, when both pipes are open, option D is correct, my dear friends. We'll get +2, sir. Yes, filling. Yeah, very good. Filling, fine. How much you are filling? 2 liter per minute. Finally, you'll get plus only filling. But my dear friends, what is there? Okay, see this. Tank is 2 by 50 fill. As we discussed, 12 liters is the total tank capacity is 30. Is it? 2 by 50 fill means 2 by 50 of 30, nothing but equal to 12 liters available. But if you want to fill, still 18 liters you have to fill. Filling is making the tank full capacity. If you want to fill, you should add 18 liters more. That's the trick behind this question, the basic idea behind this question. Filling means making it full, making all 30 liters, 12 liters available already. You want to add 18. 18 you have to add, you are adding 2 per minute. So it takes 9 minutes to fill. Guys, this is what you people should understand. Empty is not possible, okay? But option B is also wrong. Time taken is 9 minutes to fill. Guys, that's what. Okay, you should be with us. You people can understand a lot. Now, Vanita 597, Kavita 249, Pavitra 498, Chandani 488, 480, Indumati 48. 48, Indumati. Okay, what is the doubt, Indumati? No, sir. What is that? Okay, fine. So hope you understand. No. What is the doubt, Indumati? Here, what happened? Okay, A is filling the tank, B is emptying the tank. When both are added, we got plus. Plus indicates filling. How 18? Indumati, what is the tank capacity? 30 liters. Is it? How much tank full? Indumati, just go ahead with the question clearly. Tank capacity is 30 liters. You just respond for me in the chat box, or you can come online. Tank is 2 by 5 full, right? So what is 2 by 5 of 30 liters? Is 12 liters, Indumati. So 12 liters is available. Okay. Total tank capacity 30, only 12 liters available. Okay, if it is filling, you know filling, if you want to fill, still 18 liters gap is there if you want to fill. If you want to remove this 12. Filling అంటే మొత్తం ట్యాంక్ మొత్తం ఫిల్ చేయాలి. 30 లీటర్స్ లో 12 లీటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇంకా 18 లీటర్స్ నువ్వు యాడ్ చేయాలి ఫిల్ చేయాలంటే. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఎంటీ, మేక్ ట్యాంక్ as 0. ఉన్న 12 లీటర్స్ తీసేస్తే 0 అవుతుందండి. Emptying means making the tank as 0. Okay, filling means entire tank should be full. Entire it should be full, right? Now, as per that, you should take 9 minutes to fill. Is it clear, Indumati? Excellent, right? So this is what you people can learn a lot. If you people already know about this topic also, I'm sure, okay, with the lecture what we're discussing now, you people can update your knowledge. What do you have if you are already thorough with this? Yeah, Meena, any doubt? No doubt, right, Meena? If you have doubt, please let me know. Now let's see the next question, guys. Very good. Done, Indumati. Very good. Now see this next question, Indumati. Here we have one more small update. Through an inlet pipe, it takes 8 hours to fill the tank. If you have an inlet pipe, suppose A, it takes 8 hours to fill the tank. Okay, fine. But due to leakage, if leakage is there, it takes some 2 hours more, meaning 10 hours to fill the tank. Guys, try to understand the question. Okay, through an inlet pipe, it takes 8 hours to fill the tank. Now, due to leakage, it takes 2 hours more to fill the tank. Yes, while doing filling, if there is leakage, it takes some time more. That's why they given the question 2 hours more to fill the tank. Not 10 hours. Now, what's the question? Leakage alone. What's the purpose of leakage? It generally will empty the tank. What's the time taken by leakage to empty the tank? The purpose of leakage is emptying the tank only, right? Okay, what's the time taken by leakage alone to empty the tank? Now, first of all, fix the tank capacity. My dear friends, what is the tank capacity? Yeah, you have 8 and 10. So tank capacity, you take LCM and fix that. Okay, so as 40 liters, right? Okay, LCM for 8 and 10, as we discussed long back. So now this is filling 5 liter per hour. Okay, now guys, listen, next one also, you be careful. Okay, it is also filling 4 liter per hour. Why? Because of, okay, it is taking 2 hours more, but the result is filling only. You just see that it takes 2 hours more to fill the tank. It takes 2 hours more to fill the tank. Because of filling, I'm using plus symbol here. Here also filling plus symbol. But this is A only filling. This is A filling plus leakage. Okay, A filling plus leakage is 4. A filling is 5 liters. The leakage is -1. Sir, I got -1. Yes. Leakage duty is what? It is emptying. Minus indicates what? Empty. Okay, it is emptying 1 liter per hour. Then what's the time taken by leakage alone? Is option D, my dear friends. It's not option B, submarine. Option D. It is removing 1 liter per hour. So leakage alone, what's the time taken for the leakage alone to empty the tank is? You have 40 liters. Leakage will remove 1 liter per hour. So it requires 40 hours to empty the tank. Is it clear, my dear friends? Okay, submarine, hope you understand now. Hema, your answer is correct, and Kiranachari, your answer is correct. So time taken to leakage alone is 40 hours, right? Is it clear, guys? Okay, excellent. Now let me see, okay, how many of you have doubts or how many of you are clear? Okay, so because leakage, the purpose of leakage is emptying. It is emptying 1 liter per hour. Okay, pipe A is filling 5 liter per hour. Okay, along with leakage, it is taking, okay, 4 liter per hour. So if you understand, leakage is -1 there. It's removing 1 liter per hour. Guys, if you are clear with this, I'll go for the next question now. Okay. Right. So let's see the next one, friends. Okay, hope you are clear till now. Let me discuss the next ones. Yeah, let's see this next question, friends. So please go through the question first of all. Here, what they given the question, A, B, and C can fill a tank from empty to fill in 30, 20, and 10 minutes. See, all three are filling. Pipe A can fill the tank in 30 minutes. Pipe B can fill the tank in 20 minutes. Pipe C can fill the tank in 10 minutes. Okay. Now listen, what is the tank capacity, guys? Tank capacity, what you can consider now? Okay, is equal to LCM for this, which is nothing but 60 liters. We can assume, we are assuming some value for our better understanding. Okay, for your better calculations. 60 liters, we are assuming some value. We can consider any value as a tank capacity. We are assuming 60 liters for your better calculations. Now here, as it is filling 2 liter per minute, 60 liters, right? This is 20 into 3. That's why 3 liter per minute. We want to get 60, so 20 into 3 will give 60, so 3 liter per minute. This is 6 liter per minute. Now, friends, what is the update in this question? Small update. See, through pipe A, chemical P is entering into the tank. Through pipe A, chemical P is entering into the tank. Through pipe B, chemical Q is entering into the tank. Through pipe C, chemical R is entering into the tank. Now, all the three pipes are opened for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, what will happen? Let us see. All three pipes are open for 3 minutes, my dear friends. So see the question clearly. They mention, okay, all the three pipes are open for 3 minutes, right? Is it? Okay, now after 3 minutes, what will happen? Let's see that. All pipes are open. Where they mention, see this. All the three pipes are open. After 3 minutes, what happened? Now listen, this is filling 2 liter per minute. 3 minutes means 2 into 3, 6 liters of chemical P is there in the tank. 6 liter of chemical P is there. This is also open for 3 minutes. It is filling 3 liter per minute. 1 minute 3 liters. If it is open for 3 minutes, 9 liters of chemical Q is there. Whereas this is also filling 6 liter per minute. 6 into 3, 18 liters of chemical R is there in the tank. Now total liquid, total how much is there? Total liquid in the sense, okay, total chemical is 6 plus 9 plus 18, 33 liters is available. But question is R proportion in the liquid. R in the liquid, R out of total. R in the liquid is R out of total. R is 18 out of total 33. This is 3, 6, 3 11s. That's why 6 by 11, option D. What is R in the liquid is 6 by 11. Right. Friends, this is the only question, okay, available in your textbooks related to this chemical. But listen, without doing all this question, you can easily remember the answer. How you can remember the answer is, see, R out of total must be less than 1 always. Chemical R out of total must be less than 1. Why? Okay, R is a part of the total. Total, there is something among that R is a part of that. So R in the liquid or R out of total must be less than 1. Only one option less than 1 is this. Remaining all options are greater than 1. As simple as. Is it? Okay, this is the only question related to this liquid. When you see this question in exam, you can just directly go with 6 by 11 because only one option which is less than 1. Yeah, Jahnavi, see that. Okay, pipe A is filling 2 liter per minute. Pipe B is filling 3 liter per minute. Pipe C is filling 6 liter per minute. Is it clear, Jahnavi, up to that point as like basic? Okay. The question is, all pipes are open after 3 minutes. What is the R liquid out of the total? R chemical out of total. We have 3 different chemicals entering into the tank. PQR. Is it, Jahnavi? Now here, what is the R out of total after 3 minutes? Okay, I'll just mention here as well. After 3 minutes situation, this is not out of. Okay, so R out of liquid after 3 minutes. Here, every minute, 1 minute it is filling 2 liters. 3 minutes means because all pipes are open for 3 minutes, you just see that. All pipes are open. Pipe A is also open for 3 minutes. So 2 into 3, 6 liters filled. Pipe B is also open for 3 minutes. As this filling 3 liters, 3 into 3, 9 liters is what? Okay, pipe R is also open for 3 minutes. So 6 liter it is filling per minute. 6 into 3, 18 liters. So 33 liters is the total liquid after 3 minutes in the tank. Now what is R out of total? R is 18, total liquid is 33. Don't go for 60 liters. Tank is not yet filled. A lot of people they'll do that mistake. 18 out of 60 is wrong. It's not about 18 out of 60. Okay, R is 18 liters. Liquid available after 3 minutes is only 33 liters. It's not 60. So 18 out of 33, which will give 6 by 11. Jahanavi, is it clear? And my dear friends, okay, so lot of okay in between okay, already 7 students left the session. Guys, please kindly let me know. Maybe I think so. The faculty coordinators, maybe I think. Okay, few people are students, so please let me know the reason and if you are feeling difficult at any point of time. Okay, we'll discuss the question in a different way. These are all very basics. We are discussing from scratch, from the basic point, right? Kavita, is it clear for you? Kavita and Jahnavi, please let me know. Are you clear with this or not? Guys, once you are mentioning something, okay, I am replying for that. Once you are done with that, please let me know are you okay or not. Kavita, yes, Kavita 249. Jahanavi 427. If you have still doubt, okay, please be unmute yourself and you can ask the doubt. Okay. Fine. Now can I go for next question, friends? Clear, Jahanavi, okay. Now see this next question, guys. So this question is also a bit different one compared to the things what we will discuss in regular way. This is a bit different one. See the question. A tap can fill a tank in 6 hours. Suppose the tap is A, pipe A or tap A can fill the tank, full tank in 6 hours. It can fill the tank in 6 hours. Okay. Now, for half tank, how much time it requires, my dear friends? For full tank, pipe A requires to fill the entire tank. It requires 6 hours. Okay. For half tank, what is the time taken? Okay, if you want to fill half of the tank. Half tank, it requires 3 hours. Okay, very good. My dear friends, see this. This question is pretty much similar to, if you just recall, simple interest concept. Okay, you have for 6 years, for 10 years, you have 600 rupees interest. After 5 years, principal get triple. Interest is also tripled. If you just recall the question we discussed in simple interest. Okay. Now, friends, listen. Pipe A can fill the tank in full tank in 6 hours. For half of the tank, 3 hours it's required. Now listen, my dear friends. See what they given in the question. After half tank is filled, 3 more similar taps are open. After half of the tank is filled, 3 more similar taps are open. So already 1 tap is there. If 3 more is added, now 4 taps are available. Why 4 taps? Why 4 taps are available? Because already 1 tap is there. 3 more similar taps are open. Now 4 taps are available to fill the half tank. Now that's listen. 1 tap, half tank in 3 hours. Okay. Now if we have 4 taps, okay, how much time taken? See, we discussed more people, less time, less people, more time. More people, it takes less time to fill. Okay, less people, more time. So as you have 4 tabs, it should take less time to fill. As this is into 4, inversely proportional, we should divide by 4. What is this? Is 3 by 4 of the hour. Okay, I'm dividing by 4 because the relationship here 1 tab, here 4 tabs into 4. If more people, time should be less. 3 by 4 of the hour is 60 minutes. 3 by 4 of the hour is nothing but 45 minutes, right? Now, what is the total time taken? Total time taken is for half of the tank 3 hours, next half of the tank 45 minutes. So that is why answer is 3 hours 45 minutes. My dear friends, are you clear with this? 3 hours 45 minutes. Why 3 hours 45 minutes? Okay. See guys, this Friday exam will be a bit next level compared to last week because we have more and more topics added to already existing topics. Okay, you should be pretty much ready with the concepts. If you understand the class properly, you can get scored better and better in your exam. Okay, otherwise you people will feel difficult. Right, so 3 hours 45 minutes is your answer, my dear friends. Okay, now whether people understand this or not, okay, let me check your chat box. If people are not understanding this, more people, less time, less people, more time. Emptying not understood. Once again, repeat, sir. Okay. Yeah, Aisha, here emptying is not there, first of all, for this question. Sorry, not Aisha, Dharani. Okay, I'll just, Aisha, please be online now. Okay, so 483 for this question. See
Okay,
this,
sir.
Aisha. Yeah, pipe can fill the tank 6 hours, right? Is it Aisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For half of the tank, it requires how much time?
3 hours.
3 hours. For first half of the tank, next half of the tank. I'm dividing this full tank as 2 half tanks. Okay. For first half tank, 3 hours. Next half tank, 3 hours. If same one pipe is available. Okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
what happened? After half of the tank is filled, 3 more similar taps are open. Now, what happened? 4 taps is the totally.
Yes, sir.
Now, if one tap is filling that in 3 hours, if you have 4 taps, when more people are there, time taken must be less. So that's why if you multiply with 4, here we should divide with 4. That's why we got 3 by 4 of the hour. When more pipes are available, it takes less time to fill the tank. Is it, Aisha? That's why we're
Yes, sir.
dividing by 4 here. Inversely related. Number of people and time taken must be inversely related. If you have less people, it should take more time. If you have more people, it should take less time to complete the work. Right? So
Okay.
already 3 hours for first half. Next half it takes 45 minutes. Altogether it takes 3 hours 45 minutes. Right.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear with this, Aisha? Fine. Now let
Yes,
me
sir.
check
Yes, sir.
whether people understand this or not. Guys, in this 3, I'll using now 2. If 2 more similar tabs are open, now my dear friends, let me know what is your answer. Can I change the question? Instead of 3 more similar tabs, I mentioned 2 more similar tabs are open. Now guys, let me see how many of you can answer this correct. If 2 more similar tabs are open, then what is the answer, my dear friends? Yeah, Dharani, this is filling. Okay, no discussion regarding emptying, right? Yeah, very good, friends. 4 hours is correct. Yeah, Dharani, please. I mentioned empty, sorry, if it is the case. This is filling the tank. Yeah. Yeah, fine. 4 hours is correct, my dear friends. So because here if we two more similar tabs are open, now 3 tabs is there altogether. As it is into 3, then you should divide this 3 hours with by 3. Then you will get 1 hour. So 3 plus 1, totally 4 hours is the answer. Already 3 hours, now 1 hour more. 4 hours is your answer. Yeah, Dharmi, if you have doubt, yeah, thanks. Swapna, please unmute. Swapna, please unmute yourself. Yeah, fine. Dharni, please, if you have doubt. Okay. So why tabs are
Sir,
4? Yeah, Dharni, please.
sir, I'm Monica.
Yeah, Monica, please.
Sir, now it's you added 3 tabs, sir, so it is 4 hours.
3 more similar tabs.
Yeah, if it is
3 more.
2 tabs, then it is 4.5 hours, right, sir?
No, what? If it is
If it is 2 tabs,
2 more similar tabs, means 3 will be available, right? Is it, Monica? See, pipe A half tank in 3 hours, right? Now, 2 more added means already 1 tap is there. If 2 more is added, it is 3 taps, right? Is it? Now, as this is relationship is into 3, this should be divided by 3, 1 hour. Monica, is it clear for you now?
yes, sir.
Because this when it is into 3, this should be divided by 3, inversely related. It is into 4, this should be divided by 4. Now, what's the total time is 3 plus 1, 4 hours. Okay. Now, Dharni came to line. So, Dharni, what is your doubt, Dharni? Hope
Sir, the
Monica, your
next
doubt is
half of
clear.
the
Next half, yeah.
Sir, the next half of the tank is filled by the 4 taps, no sir.
Yes,
How
yes.
how sir it will be 45 minutes? Please explain, sir.
Yeah. See, for first half of the tank, how much time? 3 hours. Is it clear,
3 hours, sir.
Dharni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if
Yes,
only
sir.
one tap is there, if only one tap is there, next half also 3 hours, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. But what happened? 3 more similar taps open means now totally 4, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
this is into 4, because of inverse relationship, this should be divided by 4. Or else you go with the chain rule. Chain rule. Okay, one person, okay, M1 D1 equal to, or M1 T1, timing, T is for timing. M1 T1 equal to M2 T2. Okay, here pipe A, one pipe, only one pipe. Okay, taking 3 hours. Now we have 3 pipes, sorry, 4 pipes. How much time taken? What will happen? 3 by 4 is it? 3 by 4 hours. Here one type, how many missions, how many taps? One tap. Here 4 taps is there. You can use that chain rule. Or else basic logic, if more people, less time, less people, more time. That's why dividing by 4. So you should get 3 by 4th of the hour. 3 by 4th of the hour is 45 minutes. Dharni, is it clear now? Dharni, please respond in chat box at least. Okay, if you are okay, fine, done. Good. Now let's see the next question, friends. Alternate days we discussed in time and work. A slight change happened here. You just see this question. Okay, go through the question first of all. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's see this. Yeah, if people are asking the notes, it's very happy for us. Okay, so that we can discuss more and more with the intention. Right. Yeah, 7 hours. Very good. Santosh is a bit fast. Okay. Now here, all are filling again. So pipe A is filling, pipe B is filling, pipe C is also filling. Pipe A is filling the tank in 12 hours, pipe B is filling the tank in 15 hours, pipe C is filling the tank in 20 hours. Okay. So what's the tank capacity? We can consider as 60 hours, right? Tank capacity is 60 hours. Okay, as usual, like what we are discussing till now. This is 5 liter per hour. This is 4 liter per hour. This is 3 liter per hour. But what is the question, friends? This is alternate, but A is open for all the time. B and C is available alternate days. Okay, A is alternate hour, sorry, alternate hour for 1 hour each alternately. What is that meaning? Friends, it is first hour who is available, A and B is available, whereas second hour who is available, A and C is available. A is open for all the time, but B and C is opening in alternate hours, Now first 1 hour, if A and B is combined, 5 plus 4, 9 liters will be filled. Whereas second hour A and C, 5 plus 3, 8 liters is filled. Now in 2 hours, friends, next again same thing will repeat. Third hour A and B, fourth hour A and C will be available. Is it same thing will repeat now? Now let's see. Okay, how many hours completed? 2 hours completed. What has happened? 9 plus 8, 17 liters filled. 17 liters filled. Okay, 2 hours, 17 liters are filled. Fine. Now our target is 60 liters. Sorry, not 60 hours, 60 liters. Tank capacity is 60 liters. Our target is 60 liters, right? Now for that, okay, what I'll do, I'll do into 3 for this so that I'll go close to that. So 6 hours completed. What happened? 51 liters filled. In 6 hours, 51 liters are filled. Okay. Now, next is 7th hour. Friends, what is the remaining? What is the remaining? Total tank capacity 60. Among the 60, 51 filled. Now you have to fill 9 liters. 9 liters is pending. Now 7th hour, anyhow, 7th hour, anyhow, A and B are available. Okay, all odd hours, 1, 3, 5, 7, A and B are available. What A and B will do? It will fill 9 liters. So done, job done. So in 7 hours, the tank is filled because already 51 liters done. Now 9 liters is done in 7th hour. 51 plus 9, 60 liters are filled in 7 hours. Okay, so what is the time taken? Is nothing but 7 hours, my dear friends. So hope all of you are clear with this alternate now. Is it? Yeah, very good. So this question is alternate, but A is open for all the time. B and C are working alternate hours. Okay, we discussed alternate days in time and work. See, same concepts here, but slightly I'm changing, updating the questions okay, compared to what we discussed in time and work. Right, but here there is something empty. Is not given who all are filling, right? Okay. Well, let's go for the next question, my dear friends. If you're done with this, let's go for the next. Okay, hope you've taken the screenshot of this. Please complete that fast. Now see the next one, friends. Two pipes, P and Q, can fill a tank in 6 hours and 9 hours respectively, while a third pipe empty the tank in 12 hours. So two pipes here. Okay. See, this is like join or left concept we discussed in time and work. Here, open or close, I can say. Pipe is open, pipe is closed. In time and work, join or left. A join, after some days, B left the job, like that. Here, okay, open or close, similar to join or left. Here, pipe P can fill the tank in 6 hours. Pipe Q can fill the tank in 9 hours. and pipe R can empty the tank in 12 hours, right? Now, what is the tank capacity? Tank capacity is like LCM for this you have to take, which is nothing but 36 liters as usual. Now here, this is filling 6 liter per hour. This is filling 4 liter per hour, but this is emptying 3 liter per hour. But friends, this is like join or left concept. You just see that. Okay, after some time, some pipe is closed, some pipe is opened. What is happening here? First, we should draw the diagram properly as per the question. Okay, roll number 210, lateral entry, just wait for a while. I'll display the previous question, wait for a while. Okay. Now here friends, see this, initially pipe P and R are available. Pipe P and R are available, just see the question. Pipe P and R are available for 4 hours. Then pipe P is closed, pipe Q is open. Now what is available? Q and R are available for 6 more hours, meaning 6 hours. Okay, then pipe R is closed, only pipe Q is available. Right, see this guys, so this is what the situation. So initially pipe P and R are available for 4 hours, then pipe P is closed, then pipe Q is opened. Okay, in the same time pipe P is closed and pipe Q is opened. Fine. Then pipe P is closed, Q is open. Okay. After 6 more hours, pipe R is closed. Is it? Okay. Hema, please check your answer. Okay. Hema, your answer is correct. But 403 Hema, your answer is wrong. Now pipe Q is open, right? Now say this, first pipe P, what it can do? It can add 4 liters, 6 liters pipe P. Pipe R will remove 3. What is the net effect? Plus 3 liter per hour. We can fill 3 liter per hour, but how many hours available? 4 hours. 3 into 4, 12 liters filled. 3 into 4, 12 liters are filled. Okay, because total task is 36 liters. Total task is 36 liters to fill. Initially, okay, 4 hours, pipe P and R are available. P is filling 6, R is removing 3. Okay, so 6 minus 3, total 3 liters are filled. Okay, 3 liters per hour, this is fine. Okay, for 4 hours, if you just calculate 4 into 3, 12 liters per hour. Whereas Q can fill 4, R will remove 3, net effect is okay, 1 liter per hour only. Net effect is it's filling 1 liter per hour, available for 6 hours. So 6 into 1, 6 liters are filled. Now what is the remaining? 18 liters are filled already. What is the remaining is out of 36, 18 liters to be filled because 12 and 6 are completed. 36 minus 12 minus 6 will give 18 liters to be filled. You want to fill 18 liters more? Okay. What is the one available Q? What Q can do? It can add 4 liter per hour. So we should add 18 liters with 4 liter per hour. So what is the time taken? Okay, is 18 by 4 because 18 is the task. You are filling 4 liter per hour, which is 9 by 2. Okay, 4.5 hours. Now, my dear friend, total time taken. So total time taken is initially 4 hours, then 6 hours, finally 4.5 hours. So 14.5 hours or 14 hours 13 minutes. Sometimes half of the hour is nothing but 30 minutes. Sometimes they may give okay 14 hours 30 minutes, half an hour, 14.5 half an hour. So 14 hours 30 minutes we can mention. Okay, 9 by 2, which is 4.5, 14 hours 30 minutes, right? So this is what, my dear friends. So towards the total time they given, remaining tank means 4.5 hours only, because at the last 4.5 hours to fill the remaining tank. What's the time taken to fill the remaining tank means 4.5 hours, but clearly given in the question, total time taken is 14.5 hours. For remaining time, it's 4.5 hours. Yes, correct. Right? Very good, friends. If you have doubt, please let me know. And you people, please be with us up to the end of the session. Okay, please be with us up to the end of the session. You can learn a lot of things. Hope you're taking the screenshot of this. Join or left, open or close. 14.5 hours, right? Let me go for the next, friends. Now see this question. One update in this question, my dear friends. See this. Two pipes can fill a tank in 20 minutes and 24 minutes respectively. Okay. Let us consider A and B. A is filling the tank in 20 minutes. Fine. B is filling the tank in 24 minutes. And see, they're given the question, waste pipe can empty 6 gallons per minute. You just keep that statement aside. Waste pipe is emptying 6 gallons per minute. Let's keep this statement alone. We'll use this later. Minus indicates emptying. Okay, we'll see this later. Okay, but listen, all the three pipes working together can fill the tank in 15 minutes. What is all the three pipes? Pipe A, pipe B, and waste pipe can fill the tank when all three are available, but still fill the tank in 15 minutes. My dear friends, it is filling only. Now first fix the tank capacity. Okay, this is all as usual. We have to follow the basic procedure. Tank capacity is LCM for this 20, 24 and 15, which is nothing but 120 liters. Don't change the methodology. Continue whatever we did till now. 120 liters. Okay, fine. Now this is filling 6 liter per minute. This is filling 5 liter per minute. This is filling 8 liter per minute. Why plus? Because of filling. Guys, are you clear up to now? My dear friends, are you clear up to now? Okay, this is a normal procedure. Pipe A can fill the tank in 20 minutes. Pipe B filling 24 minutes. Three pipes, A, B and waste pipe, but still filling in 15 minutes. So this is what the normal thing till now. But this is related to A filling. This is related to B filling. But this is related to A filling plus B filling plus waste pipe. Now friends, we know this is 6, this is 5. Okay, but totally it is giving only 8. Then now if you substitute waste pipe is 8 minus 6 minus 5, you got waste pipe is now removing 3 liter per minute. My dear friends, see this, waste pipe is removing 3 liter per minute. Guys, hope you understand till now. Waste pipe is removing 3 liter per minute. If tank capacity is 120 minutes, what's the time taken by waste pipe? Time taken by waste pipe is 120 liters it should remove. It is removing 3 liter per minute. So 40 minutes. Okay, what is the time taken by waste pipe alone is 40 minutes to empty. Now friends, see the statement. Now guys, listen. What's the statement they given? It is removing 6 gallons per minute. What's the time taken? 40 minutes. If you want to find the capacity of the tank, 40 minutes, each minute 6 gallons. Why empty is waste pipe duty is empty. Okay, 40 minutes 6 gallon per minute indicates 240 gallons. Okay, answer is 240 gallons. Sir, what is all this? My dear friends, this is our assumption for your easy calculation, but actual tank capacity is 240 gallons. Tank capacity may be 1 liter or 1 gallon. Gallon is the word which is used in US to measure water. Okay, here we use the word liters, but in US and all they use the word gallon. Okay, so gallon is the word used to measure water or petrol, water. It may be here we use in terms of liters, right? But fine. See, actually, your tank capacity may be 1 liter, maybe 120 liters, maybe 240 liters. We don't know that, right? But here they're asking what is the actual tank capacity. So we calculated waste pipe. So why you calculated waste pipe timing? Here gallons is related to waste pipe, right? Waste pipe is removing 6 gallon per minute, is it? So I'm calculating what the waste pipe will do. Waste pipe will empty the tank in 40 minutes. Okay, as per the question, it is removing 6 gallon per minute. So what is the actual tank capacity? Is 240 gallons. We assumed for 120, but actual value is 240 gallons. My dear friends, whether you got update in this question or not? Okay. So with this, time and work along with pipes and cisterns is completed. Now, before going for the next topic, series completion, let me know. Okay, series completion is very important topic for all competitive exams. In reasoning, definitely you can find a question in coding and decoding. You can find a question related to blood relation as well as series completion. You just see the Wipro company or CTS. Okay, in TCS we don't have reasoning much. But in remaining companies, you just see entity data company or CGI or CTS, okay, or else Legato company, which is recruiting your finalists right now. Okay, so all these companies, okay, you just name Infosys as well. We have series completion. Okay, 865. How you got, my dear friend? Okay, what is A filling? Tushita, what is A is filling? This
Liters, sir.
equation, my dear, what is this equation, my dear friend? Okay, this 8 liter per minute is A filling, B filling plus waste pipe, right? This is
Yes, sir.
okay. So A filling plus B filling plus waste pipe all together 8 liter per minute. Is it? A is filling 6 liter per minute. B is filling 5 liter per minute. If you just see that, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to find waste pipe. You don't know what is the waste pipe plus W. This should be totally 8. So waste pipe is 8. This plus 6 will go to that side, plus 5 will go to that side. You came to know minus. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So good question. So waste pipe is emptying 3 liter per minute. We came to know, but okay. Friends, see this, the alternate for this question, okay, you came to know waste pipe is emptying 3 liter per minute, right? Now listen, friends, for tank capacity, the alternate method I am giving, okay, tank capacity is 120 liters. If it is tank capacity is 120 liters, you came to know waste pipe is emptying 3 liter per minute. In question, guys, listen, in question, waste pipe is removing 6 gallons per minute. Okay, now here, both are empty, fine, both are per minute, okay, fine, but this is 3, this is 6 into 2, that's why tank capacity, see, this is the alternate method, tank capacity is here 120, here I should get 240, but in place of liter, here they use the word gallon, that's why here gallons. My dear friend, instead of finding waste by 40 minutes and all, you can also do this question like this. Tank capacity 120 liters. I came to know waste pipe is removing 3 liter per minute. But in question, waste pipe is emptying 6 gallon per minute. 3 and 6 is into 2. In place of liter, they given gallon. So we converted liters in place of that gallon. As the relationship is into 2, here also 120 into 2, 240. Okay, you can do like this as well, right? Now let me go for the next topic, series completion. My dear friends, please be with me, okay, up to the end of the session, so that you people can learn something, okay? And if you people feel difficult, as your friends are doing, you just unmute yourself, you can ask the doubts. You ask me the doubts related to this topic, we'll discuss how to solve, how to handle that. Is it? Okay. Friends, if it is live class, the session is the things are totally different. But what I'll do in live class, I'll discuss less number of questions, not this many. Okay, but I can see what you people whether understand or not. I can visualize you people and I can check. But here, okay, I'm discussing more number of questions to make sure. Yam Suma, you please be online. What is the doubt, Yam Suma? At what point you have doubt? Please come online, Yam Suma.
Sir, you said
Yes, Suma.
one shortcut method, sir. Now, can you repeat it once
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
sir?
Yeah, see, Suma, you got waste pipe is minus 3 liter per minute. Up to here, whether you understand why you got minus 3?
Yes, sir.
Suma, yeah, fine. Now that minus 3 you got for 120 liters, right? If tank capacity is 120 liters, then you are removing 3
Yes,
liter
sir.
per minute, right? Yeah. But in question, what
Yes,
they
sir.
given, waste pipe is emptying 6 gallons per minute. Is it? In question they given waste pipe. You just see the question. Third line they given waste pipe can empty 6 gallon per minute. You see this question. Third line ending 6 gallon per minute. Because of empty we should use minus. But 3 and 6 how it is related is into 2. Okay. Now
Okay,
in the
sir.
same way as it is 120 I am doing into 2. I got 240. Okay, so actual tank capacity, actual correct tank capacity is 120. This is your assumption. Previously is your assumption. Now I am correcting that. How I am correcting that is here I came to know relationship into 2, so I did into 2. And next one is this is per minute, this is per minute. No need to change that. But liter, here it is gallon. So in place of liter, you should replace gallon. That's what the next change, Suma. That's it. Is it
Okay,
clear
sir.
now,
I
Suma?
understood. Yes, sir. I
Yeah, fine.
understood, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Suma. Yeah, thank you. Guys, now let's go for the next topic. Series, analogy, and classification. In fact, classification is nothing but odd one out. Okay, classification, or else I can say odd one out concept. All these three, okay, we should complete. I think so. We can complete by tomorrow. If not, we'll do that by Friday morning. Okay, so odd one out. So what are the things completed by tomorrow afternoon? Okay, up to that we'll discuss in your test paper. That's the questions you can find in test paper. Okay, series completion. This series completion, what we have to discuss is number series, wrong number series, and we want to discuss letter series or alphabet series. Followed by that repeated series, repeated or continuous pattern series, repeated or continuous pattern series. So these are the four we want to discuss. Okay, internal to this, okay, series. Whereas in analogy concept we want to discuss number analogy and letter analogy or letter or alphabet analogy. In fact, here alphanumeric series also we want to discuss. Alphanumeric series, alphabets and numbers combined. Alphanumeric series we call. Now in analogy, number analogy, letter or alphabet analogy. In fact, we'll just call letter analogy only in general. Okay. Fine. Whereas in classification, we want to discuss again related to letters. Letter odd one out, number odd one out. Okay. Word odd one out also. They'll give some words. You should find which is the odd one among that. Different one among that. Okay, so this is what we want to discuss internal to this. Okay, 5 things in series alone. Okay, number series, wrong number series, letter series. Okay, alphanumeric series, repeated series 5. Whereas in analogy, 2 things we'll discuss: number analogy and letter analogy. In fact, I'll just try to go for word analogy as well. But this word analogy in verbal, in English, we have verbal analogy as well. Okay, in verbal analogy, we have to find antonyms, synonyms using that. Okay, that anyhow they'll cover in verbal. Okay, so verbal analogy is a different one. Here, word analogy is there. Okay, so these are the things we are going to cover one by one. This is what in analogy concept. This is what in series. Okay, this is the outline just I'm mentioning you. And this is what we want to discuss in classification or odd one out. See, that's a lot of things. So very, very, very important this is, because in CTS we have 24 questions in reasoning. Believe me in that. Okay, just see in fact Wipro also. Wipro and CTS both are same pattern. In fact, okay, CGA company, okay, or emphasis company, all these 4 have similar test pattern. Okay, 24 questions in reasoning. Out of 24 questions, 10 questions is from these topics. 10 questions is from this. Out of 24 questions, 10 questions is from the series, analogy and classification, my dear friends. If you understand the series, analogy and classification, You can get more than 10 questions in fact to say, but I given the least chance. We'll get 10 questions. Maybe I already mentioned, we'll discuss some CTS model paper, all those going forward. Okay, and stay with us for that. Fine, hope you're clear till now. Is it? Now let me go for the next one. How to solve the questions in this. Yeah, please take the screenshot of this for a while. Okay, let me go for the things. So number series at least I'll try to complete today. Right. Hope you're taking the screenshot. Now let me go for the number series, my dear friends. Number series. So friend series, listen, all of you please focus. Okay, there are thousands of questions in this number series, but how simple you can solve those. Okay, now in number series, first you just try to observe the question. If numbers are slowly increasing or if numbers are slowly decreasing, what is this slow increase, slow decrease? You can understand while discussing the questions, don't worry, but just try to understand the methodology. If numbers are slow increase or slowly decreasing, you just take the difference between numbers. Okay, if you just take the difference between numbers, you can solve the question. But pretty much, okay, in the slow increase, there is some addition happening. In slow decrease, you are subtracting some numbers. In slow increase, you are adding some numbers. In slow decreasing, you are subtracting some numbers. If you just take the difference between the numbers, okay, you can solve the questions pretty much. If numbers are fast increase, my dear friends, internally there is a multiplication. That's listen, if numbers are fast increase, internally there is a multiplication. What is that meaning? Okay, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. But in exam, they don't give into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6 directly. But what they'll give, into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 2, into 4 plus 3. Some addition, some subtraction, they'll add extra. They'll do some addition, subtraction extra, or else into 2 plus 4, into 3 plus 9, into 4 plus 16, into 5 plus 25. There is some extra factor will be there. Okay, but internally there is some multiplication you can identify if numbers are fast increase. Okay, how to identify that I'll discuss in the questions, don't worry. If numbers are fast decrease, there is some division happening. Internally there is some division happening if numbers are fast decreasing. If numbers are fast increase, there is some multiplication going to happen. Okay, but friends, okay, good. See, this is increase, decrease, only one thing happening. But now they're asking mixed series. In mixed series, we have increase and decrease both. Numbers are increasing and decreasing in mixed series. Okay, I'll discuss the examples going forward. What is this increase and decrease? Okay, fine, see this. See this. Friends, if suppose 2, 5, I have 10, 17, like this, if you have, this is increasing, slow increasing, right? If suppose we have 100, okay, 90, 75, okay, then I have 50 or 55, this is slow decreasing. This is the example for slow decreasing. This is slow increasing. But what is this mixed series? What is this mixed series? Is suppose I have 25, okay, 24, then I have 27, this is 23, I have 29, like this. Okay, I have 22, 31, like this, it's going on. It's decreasing and increasing. You can see increase, decreasing happening. Increasing, decreasing, or decreasing, increasing, both happening here. Here it's only decreasing, it's only increasing. But in mixed series now you can observe it's going like increasing and decreasing, or decreasing and increasing both. If this is the case, if you have increase, decrease, decrease, increase, it's mixed series, then what you have to do, minimum 2 series is there. Minimum 2 logics are available in this, or minimum 2 series is there in the mixed series. Okay, we'll discuss that how to handle this going forward. But guys, you just try to understand minimum 2 logics or a minimum 2 series is there. Minimum 2 series is there. Okay, in mixed series. Fine. The approach we'll discuss later, but just keep in mind, okay, what is the things happening in mixed series. Okay. Now next one, very important is they'll give prime numbers continue. they'll give prime numbers directly. Continue prime numbers they'll give. You just be with that prime numbers. Next is cubes. Because prime numbers are also looks like slow increase, slow decrease model, but okay, you can't solve this by taking differences. Cubes also looks like slow increase, slow decrease, but very difficult to identify because they are giving cube plus or minus 1 something like that. They don't give cubes directly, cube plus or minus 1 something, cube plus or minus n. They'll do cube 5 cube plus 5, 5 cube minus 5 like that they'll give. So it's pretty difficult. Okay, once you are not finding the logic, I mentioned already reasoning is for logical thinking. Okay, so if you are not done with one logic, you should switch for the other logic. This is all about finding the right logic. In coding and decoding, we're finding the right logic. Okay, so here also you have to find the right series. Okay, fine. Now here, cubes. Squares are not required, that's easy, fine, but I'm giving an alert for squares. Okay, but anyhow, that's easy for you to identify in the exam. Squares is easy, pretty easy. But see this, slow increase, slow decrease, fast increase, fast decrease, mixed series, prime numbers, cubes and squares. But last but not the least one is, guys, see this, into 1.5, into 2.5, into 3.5. There, if you perform multiplication with into 2, into 3, it's okay. But they're doing the logics with into 1.5, into 2.5, into 3.5 like this. But how can you identify is this is fast increase anyhow, because into 2.5 into 3.5 is fast increase only. Next thing, what you can do, okay, not only for fast increase, okay, number in the given question. Okay, so numbers in question, okay, one number at least in the question, number in question, end with, okay, somehow end with 0.5 like that, 0.5, 0.25, 0.75, 0.125. Okay, you can see that if numbers in the question is ending with 0.5, 0.25, 0.75 like this, you just try to think about this logic into 1.5 into 2.5. So how can you say ending with 0.5 all this? How can you decide ending with 0.5, ending with 0.25 like that? Friends, listen. If suppose I have 5 into 2 will give 10. 5 into 2 is 10, but 5 into 1.5 is what? 5 into 1.5, 7.5, ending with 0.5. So if you multiply with 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 somehow, there is a chance you will get ending with 0.5, ending with 0.25, 0.75 like that. Using that, you can at least identify in the question, you should see, okay, either at least one number is ending like this. Then you can think about this logic. Guys, please take screenshot of this. This is very important to solve the questions. Okay, slow increase, slow decrease, prime numbers, fine, cubes, okay, squares are very easy. That can be done by using slow increase, slow decrease easily, taking differences. Squares logic, most of the cases you can solve by taking differences itself. Okay, by taking difference itself, you can solve these questions, fine. But prime numbers is very difficult while solving the question. Cubes, finding the logic is very difficult. Okay, into 1.5 into 2.5 is also difficult. Mixed series, yes, while seeing the question, you can just think about that. Increasing and decreasing happen. Mixed series you can identify. I given the outline. Okay, let me go for the questions. Number series. Okay. Guys, hope you taking the screenshot of this. Is it done? Hope you understand the outline logic for all this. You please respond in the chat box, guys. Are you clear with this introduction now? Is it? Yeah, fine. Now let me go for the questions, my dear friends. Let me go for the questions. It's your turn to solve the questions. Now, friends, see this. First question. Now, friends, this is the example for slow increase. 100, 10, 100, 200, 310, slowly increasing. Now, what is the difference here? Difference is 90. difference is 100, difference is 110, next difference is 120 because 90, 100, 110, 120. So your answer must be 430. Here adding 90, here adding 100, here adding 110, we're adding 120. Answer is 430, not 420, my dear friend. Answer is 430, right? You're adding 90, 100, 110, 120. Slow increase were done by taking differences. You're adding something. Increase, slow increase means it's like addition. Slow decrease means it's like subtraction. Anyhow, this is what slow increase. You're adding something. Okay, I'll do this number series, all questions, okay, most of the time. But you people should help me while discussing wrong number series, right? Okay, now let me go for the next one, friends. Right, hope you're done. Let's go for the next one, guys. Now see this question, 125, 80, 45, 20. This is like slow decreasing. If it is slow decreasing, what we have to do? We should take difference between numbers. So here, this is minus 45. This is minus 35. This is minus 25. Now, you should perform minus 15. It's nothing but equal to 5. It's not 10. 20 minus 15, 5 we should get. Okay, what are the mistake you will do? Options are available, but please be clear with that, friends. So you have to do minus 50, will get 5 finally. Okay, so minus 45, minus 35, minus 25, minus 15. So finally you will get 5 as the answer. Slow decreasing, right? These are the basic questions. Okay, be with us, friends. Okay, just wait up to the end of the session. You can learn a lot of things. Now, next one, friends. Hope you are done with this. Is it clear? Right? Very good. Let's see the next one. This is also slow decreasing. Now, difference is 4. Here, difference is 9. Difference is 16. 4 is nothing but 2 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 16 is nothing but 4 square. Difference are squares. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square completed. Now we should take the difference, nothing but 5 square, 25 we should subtract, right? Now 169 minus 25 will give 144. Excellent, friends. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. We are taking difference between the numbers. So once you perform, okay, so difference is 4, 9, 16 and 25. Is it? Very good, friends. So let's go for the next one. Hope you're taking the screenshot of this. Take difference between the numbers. If it is slow increase or slow decrease. In slow decrease, it's like subtraction. Slow increase is like addition, right? Very good, friends. Let's see the next one. Very good. Now, this is starting with 15, ending is 89,298. Fast increase. The example for fast increase, my dear friends. It started with 15, ending with 89,298. Fast increase. If it is fast increasing, then what we have to do? We have to connect with multiplication. So internally there is the multiplication as I mentioned. Now guys, let's see this. Fast increase. Internally there is a multiplication. Fine. There is some extra factor also. Now if you just see that 15 into 2, 30 plus 3. 33 into 3 is 99 plus 5. It's like multiplication, but there is some extra factor as well. Now, similarly, if you just observe here, this is into 6 plus 11, because 2000 into 6 is 12,000. Okay, plus 11, this will give that. Whereas this is into 7 plus 13. Into 7 plus 13. Now, what you have to do? Into 2, into 3, here into 6, into 7. Now, in between, what is required, my dear friends? So, into 4 here. Here it is into 5. Okay. Plus, what is the extra factor? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 is the extra factor. by multiplying with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here 104 into 4 is 416 plus 7 will give 423. And in fact, you always need to check whether you got the next one or not. So what you have to do, 423 into 5 plus 9, we should check. If you check that, okay, we'll get 2115 plus 9, which is 2124. Yes, we got 2124. In fact, don't stop with that. 104, you got 423. Then you check whether you got next one with this same logic into 5 plus 9. Once you perform, whether you got 2124 or not. Okay. Yeah, hope you got 2120 into 5 plus 9. Into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 5, into 4 plus 7, into 5 plus 9, like that. Is it? Okay, very good, friends. Hope you are clear with that. Fine. Now let me go for the next question. Hope you are understanding, right? Now this question is fast decreasing because 5760 become 8. Fast decreasing, definitely there is some division. Internally there is some division. Now if you just check this, this is divided by 2, this is divided by 3. Okay, here there is something, here there is something. Here it's divided by 6. Divided by 6 here, this is divided by 3, divided by 2. This should be divided by 5, is it? And this should be divided by 4. Now, 960 divided by 5 is nothing but 192. Then you check 192 divided by 4 is nothing but 48. Okay, you should check that. Don't stop there itself. You just try to continue and see whether next number you are obtaining or not. Otherwise, your logic may be false. So you always need to check what should follow next. Okay, it's divided by 5. So hope you got 192. Then once you divide by 4, hope you got next one or not. Right? Yes, we got the next one. Okay, 48. Excellent, friends. Now let us go for the next question once you are done with this. Okay. Fine, let's see the next one, friends. So this is 1, 4, 27 increasing, 16 decreasing. So increasing and decreasing is happening because 1, 4, 27 up to that increasing, 27 to 16 decreasing. Is it mixed series? Yes. What will happen in mixed series? Minimum 2 logics or minimum 2 series is there, my dear friends. In mixed series, you have minimum 2 logics or 2 series will be available. Is it? Now, if you just go ahead with this question, my dear friends, this is 1, 4, 27, 16. Excellent, Divyashri, Vanita, and in fact, Suma, in Suma. Okay, excellent, you are. Now, see this. This is 1 cube, 27 is 3 cube, 343 is 7 cube. This is 2 square, 4 square, and 6 square. Two different logics, squares and cubes. This must be cube. For odd number, they are performing cube. For even number, they perform square. For odd number, it's cube. For even number, they are performing square. This is the logic, right? So you should get what should be here is 5 cube, nothing but 125, right? Your answer is equal to 125 mixed series. So hope you understand this. Okay, slow increase, fast decrease. Okay, till now we discussed basic examples up to now. So hope you understand this mixed series as well. Now let me go for the next question, my dear friends. Okay, so be with us. See the next question. Now you just solve this question. What is this? This is definitely fast increasing, right? Okay. Now let's try to solve this one. Fast increasing, guys, because started with 9, ending with 22,244. You just apply your logic. Yeah, fine. Please display previous question. Yeah. Prasad, you just take the screenshot fast. Fine, done, right? Now, friends, okay, see this question. Okay, option A is what you people may think in a wrong way. You just see that whether you got the next number or not. Now, friends, see this. Yeah, this is into 7 minus 1. Okay, but if you go forward, this is into 3 minus 1. This is into 4 minus 1. And here, if you just see that, this is into 6 minus 1. This is into 5 minus 1. Hope you got it now. Answer is 371. 62 into 6 minus 1, my dear friend. Guys, check the logic's correct. Okay, 62 into 6, 372, minus 1 is nothing but 371. 371, right? Option D is correct, 371. Guys, that's what. Okay, so don't just stop with the one. You just continue and check. That's what I mentioned in previous questions as well. You just see 371 into 5 minus 1 will give 1854. Yes, if you do into 5 minus 1, definitely we'll get 1854 as well, right? Now let's go for the next one, my dear friend. This question, you people just take the screenshot, okay, and practice this, okay. You just take the screenshot of this, my dear friends. Okay, answer I am just marking here itself. Okay, answer is 30,950. You just take the screenshot, right? Okay, later you can practice this. Hope you are taking the screenshot, friends. Next one. Yeah, this question I want to discuss for sure. See this question, friends. 626, 134, 666, 3,334, 16,666. What is the next one? Now here, if you observe, okay, here you may find some difficult logic. See this, guys. 26 into 5 is 130 plus 4. 134 into 5 is 670 minus 4 is this. Whereas here, into 5 plus 4, again here if you just check, this is into 5 minus 4. Here you have to perform into 5 plus 4. If you see this, 6 into 5 is 30, minus 4 is 26. Okay, this is like into 5 minus 4. Into 5 minus 4, into 5 plus 4, alternate. Into 5 minus 4, into 5 plus 4, into 5 minus 4, into 5 plus 4. Like that you have to perform. See this. There are a lot of logics, my dear friends. So you should get update while practicing. Now once you solve, hope you got, okay, 83,334. Yes, correct. Option D is correct. 83,334 is the correct answer. Excellent, friends. Now let's go for the next. Daily try to get update, friends. Okay, one by one we are discussing the question. Okay, in a slow phase. Great. Hope you are done with this. Now let me go for the next. Right. Excellent, friends. Now try to solve these three questions. Next three questions now I'm displaying. Yeah, see this. I want the answer for these three questions. Let's mention this is Q1, question 1, question 2, and question 3. Three questions, Q2, Q3. Reply with your answers with Q1, Q2, Q3. Three questions are ready now, Q1, Q2, Q3. Let me see your results, your answers for Q1, Q2, Q3. Mention for first one, second one like that. What is your key? 40, 25, 45, 30, many answers. Because in TCS and in some other competitions, there is a chance for fill in the blank. Joho company, fill the blanks. Okay, fine. Guys, see this. This question is like, okay. Yeah, there are two possible answers for first question. That's why they need to give the options for that. Yeah, one thing, this is like decreasing and increasing mixed series. Here, if you go alternate, +3, +3, +3. Okay, now if you see this, okay, two logics possible. Yes, I agree. One is into 2, into 2. Okay, few people are trying to find this is into 2, into 2, into 2. 40 is possible. Other logic 5, 10, 20. Here 5 increased. Now 10 increased. Next 15 increased. 35. Two answers are possible. Either it may be 40 or it may be 35. That depends on the options. Okay, it's like 5 increase, 10 increase, then 15 increase. Two logics are possible. Okay, it may be 40 or 30, depends on the options. 40 or 35, but preferably 40 is the correct answer. Why? Because of now, wait for a while, friends. So just wait for a while. Okay, let me go for the. I need one empty slide. Okay, 1 second, guys. Why 40 is preferable compared to 30? Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, let me discuss priorities for you so that you people be good in solving the questions going forward. Yeah, friends, see this priorities. Priorities. When you got two different answers, what we have to do priority? First priority is for prime number logic. If you have a logic with prime numbers, what type of logic depends on the priorities. If logic is with prime numbers, that's highest priority. Second logic is for powers. What is this? Squares plus or minus something, cubes plus or minus something, or square root, cube root. Okay, so for this logic, second priority. Third priority, among that first division, multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So multiplication will take before priority compared to addition. So guys, these are the priorities required. If you have two or more answers for the same question, using priorities you can answer. So here I can go with 40 because multiplication is highest priority compared to addition. So with that point in mind, that's why 40 is the correct answer, my dear friends. So please take the screenshot of this priorities. This priorities again I require in other concept as well. You please take the screenshot of this priorities, my dear friends. Right, priorities, is it clear? Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, last. So first prime numbers, powers you require. Okay, so last one is this. So here in the previous question, if you just go through here, addition, this is like addition, 5, 10, 15 is addition. Okay, but this is multiplication. So multiplication will take highest priority. That is why among 40 or 35. If 40 is not there in the options, then you have to go for 35. If both are available, you should go with 40 as highest priority. Right? Now let's see the next one, friends. Yes, 8 2s are 16, 7 3s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 5 5s are 25. Here A, B, C is equal to A into B. A, B, C is equal to A into B. Like that they design. Question, see that. This is also looks like increasing and decreasing. Now see this 2, 3, 6, 4. Oh, 1 second, sir. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, this 4 and 5. 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, and here 5 will get. This is also other logic. 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas 8, 7, 6, 5. 8, 7, 6, 5 is one series. Okay, this is like 3 series is there. 8, 7, 6, 5 is one series. 2, 3, 4, 5 is one series. 16, 21, 24. Okay, and 25 is one series. That's separate series. Okay, this is a different thing. R L C equal to A into B. And now, as you mentioned, 5 plus 9 is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. 6 plus 7 is 13. 8 plus 3 is. Here A, B, C. B is equal to A plus C. As you people rightly said, yeah, your answers are correct. A, B, C, B equal to A plus C. Multiple logics, right? Okay, multiple logics. You should update one by one. Very good, friends. So hope you're done with this. Please take the screenshot of this and hope you understand the priorities as well, right? Okay, let me go for the next one, friends. Now see this next questions, friends. Two questions. Right. So first one is prime numbers. It's pretty clear. First one is prime numbers. Okay, these are all prime numbers. 61. Next prime number is 67. Prime numbers. Okay, fine. Next, what is the second one answer, friends? Second question answer. Second question answer. Options are also given. You make sure options is given. 117. Okay, still. Now, few people will say, sir, this is 2 increase, 4 increase, 2 increase, 4 increase, 2 increase, 115 is not there. Yes, 115 is not there. So this logic is wrong. Plus 2 plus 4 logic is wrong for this. As option is not available. Okay. See what this will help you when you are doing program. We'll try some logic whether you got the output or not. Once you don't, when the test case is cleared or not. As test case is not cleared, you should try with the other logic. This number series will help you in that way. Okay, logical thinking. See, the intention of aptitude and reasoning is people should become a better programmers. Okay, once you do better in this aptitude and reasoning, people will become a bit better programmers. Yeah, among all of you, Joshna 528, appreciate your efforts. Your answer 127 is correct. Your logic is correct, Joshna. Prime numbers, my dear friends. This is prime numbers given in SSC. This question is given in Staff Selection Commission. Prime numbers. You just check this question. It is given in Staff Selection Commission. What is this? These are prime numbers, my dear friends. After 113, the great thing is 127 is the next prime number. After 113, next prime number is 127. 117 is 13 into 9. 9 multiple or 3 multiple. This is 7 into 17, not prime number. This is 11 into 11, not prime number. 127 is the next prime number after 113, my dear friends. See that, such a good question. That's what I mentioned clearly long back regarding prime numbers is a bit difficult. In exam, just see how to get this logic. In for programming also, while doing programming, okay, you should get the right logic into your mind. right? For the at the given time, you should find the right logic. If you do this better and better, definitely people get that habit. Okay, getting the right logic at the right time. Okay, fine. So hope you people got the things. 127, why 127? It's a prime number, right? Very good, friends. Let's go ahead with the next. Now let's see this question, friends. Okay, in the app, whatever I given, you have hundreds of questions related to number series. If you will get solve and get practice with that. Yeah, see this question, guys. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. A lot of times they given this question in exam. The same question without changing any value. More number of zeros, numbers ending with more number of zeros. Question which is ending with zeros, units place 0. Just for remembering purpose, nothing else. Very important question given in a lot of exams. That's what is the answer. Anyone? I given the tricks already. What you have to do. Excellent, Kiran Achari. Your answer is correct. Yeah, friends. Yam Suma, your answer is correct. Answer is 336. Chandra, your answer is correct. Excellent. N cube minus n. N cube minus n. This is 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5. Performing cube and subtracting with the same number, and similarly 7 cube minus 7 will give 336. 7 cube minus 7. You should know cubes first of all, at least up to 15 or at least up to 10 minimum, but at least up to 15 is recommended. Okay, 11 cube 1331, all you have to know. Right. Yeah, 13 cube 2197. Yes, good. You should know up to 15 cube. Yes. Next one, friends. Hope you are clear up to now. Is it? Cubes. So just recall all the logics: prime numbers, cubes, slow increase, slow decrease, fast increase, fast decrease. All things were discussed, right? Prime numbers, all this. Fine. See the next question, friends. This is all about logical thinking. Yes, 520, 350. So tomorrow we'll discuss wrong number series as well, where most of the time you people should respond, because as number series is done, wrong number series is pretty much similar to that, and you people should help. Okay. So we'll just try to complete tomorrow itself wrong number series, letter series, repeated series, and also odd one out. All we're just trying to complete. Okay. The time cooperates. So tomorrow our aim is that. If anything is pending, we'll discuss in Friday. Okay, and I hope you people know the syllabus right for your test. Okay. Fine. Now, let me go for this question. What is the answer, my dear friends? Options have been given, right? Now, what is the answer? Again, ending with more number of zeros, is it? This is 8 cube plus 8, 7 cube plus 7. Here we'll get triple 2, fancy number like triple R, right? 6 cube plus 6, 5 cube plus 5, is it? 4 cube plus 4, and here 3 cube plus 3, and this is 2 cube plus 2, right? Excellent, friends. So this is n cube plus n logic. See, we've given all the logics at the introduction, what and how you have to think depends on the situation, right? Slow increase, slow decrease, fast decrease, is it? Yeah. Any doubt? Yeah, friends, if you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and you can ask or else at least mention the chat box. I'll respond to that. See, these all basic points we discussed. Okay, cubes, prime numbers, all what is the logics you have to apply, right? Let's go for the next question, my dear friends. Once you're done with this, let's go for the next last question for today. Yeah, fine. After that, I'll just give you people a chance to ask the doubts. Next one is the last question for today. Let's go with the next one, friends. Now let me see what is the answer for this. Guys, what is the answer for this question? 2, 8, 16, 128. What is the next? This is 2 power 1, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 7. Few people will do like this. Sir, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 7 is 11, 2 power 11. We know it's 2048 because 2 power 10, 1024, 1k, we call approximately this as 1k, 2 power 10, right? Okay, or else I can say this is previous two numbers multiplication. 2 into 8 is 16. This is previous two numbers. 8 into 16 is 128. Now this must be previous two numbers. 16 into 128. Here A, B, C are designed in such a way C is equal to A into B. Previous two numbers multiplication. Fibonacci series is previous two numbers addition. Fibonacci series, as you people learned in C language, okay, previous two numbers addition is what, okay, whereas here previous two numbers multiplication, similar to Fibonacci. Their addition, here it's like multiplication. Here we are performing multiplication. Previous two numbers we have to multiply and we have to find next number like that. So 2048. So this is into 128. Okay, or let's see, if you don't know what is the value of this, 6 into 8. 6 into 8 is 48. Numbers should end with 8. Okay, 6 into 8 is 48. You just see the units place number. 6 into 8 is 48. Here answer should be ending with 8. So 2048 is the answer. Right? Excellent. Fine. So hope you understand this. And see the last question. Sorry, this is the last one. Now, anyone answer for this? Yeah, what is the last question answer? For today's session is the last question. What's the answer for this last one? Yes. So this is fast decreasing value division, is it? Yes, Suma, M Suma 566, G Monica 533. Good. Bhavya 565. Good. Gautami. Good. Guys, see this. If you remove first number, you got this 89654237. If you remove last number, you got this. Remove first, remove last. Then again, if you remove this first one, you got 965423. Then if I remove the last one, then you'll get 96542. Removing first and last. Removing first and last, your answer will get as 96542. Excellent, friends. Excellent. Okay. And yeah, as all of you mentioned, option D is correct. Thank you so much, friends. Okay, if you have doubts, let me know. Okay. Maybe the topics what we discussed till now. And please share your feedback before leaving for the session. Thank you all, friends. So please share your feedback and you can leave for the day. If you learned anything, okay, just let me know. Fine. So, and if you want to know anything, okay, from my side, if anything is defect, okay, you just try to mention that. What are the things to improve? Guys, you can share your feedback. If you have doubts, please unmute yourself. You can ask doubts anything, whatever is required in any other topic as well, or related to your placements. Yes, please share your feedback, my dear friends, and you can leave for the day. If you don't have any doubts, if you have doubts, please let me know and we'll discuss that. Thank you all. Okay. Shamini, thank you. Sandhya, thank you. Preeti, Haimavati, Sonia, Bhavya, Sushmita, Chandani, thank you. Thank you all. Boys, no one is sharing feedback. Daily I am seeing that only girls' names. Yeah, Prashant, thank you. Only girls are sharing the feedback. Boys, you are not there. Okay, Vanita, thank you. Prasad, thank you. Hema, thank you. Gayatri, thank you all. Rajita, thank you. Kirti, thank you. Yeah, friends, so please, Dinesh, thank you. You share your feedback, Dinesh. Yes, friends, please share your feedback and you can leave for the day. If you don't